Okay, we're going to do a little coin simulation this morning just to have a little fun with our TI Nspires and see how things work. So I'm going to open up this calculator and we're going to go to a list and spreadsheet. You can do this with me if you'd like to. We've talked about flipping coins a lot. We're going to flip 100 of them. And so here's how that works. We're going to do equal sign. Come over here to menu, pick on data, random. And these are integers I want to pick. So I'm going to pick 0 or 1. That would give me a single coin flip. Okay, so this isn't where we're going to finish. I'm just showing you how this starts. So there's a typical coin flip. That's a 1. So maybe I've denoted 1 to be heads, 0 to be tails. So that would be a head. Well, I want to do that 100 times, and I don't want to take up 100 spaces in my calculator. And so what I can do instead is I can hit the equal sign. I can either find it or I can type the word sum and then do what I just did. Menu, data, random, integer. Now if I do 0, 1, that's just a single flip. I want 100 flips, so I'm going to do comma 100. I'm going to close my parentheses a second time. And so take a look at the bottom of the screen, sum of a random integer 0 or 1 100 times. This is going to give me 100 coin flips. I got 49 heads because it's counting the ones, right? So I got 51 zeros and 49 ones. So I'm going to replicate that just by doing Control C, coming down here to cell number 2. I'm going to hold down the Shift key while I arrow down. And I'm going to do it a bunch of times. I'm going to do it 500 times. So I'm flipping 100 coins 500 times. That's 50,000 coin flips very quickly. This definitely beats doing it in your family room by yourself and taking notes. So 500 flips, I'm almost there. Once you get there, it is Control V to paste. And so they're all in there. You're going to have to trust me that they're all in there. There's all my 100 flips back to back to back to back. Okay, I'm going to plot these just for fun. So I'm going to go doc. I'm going to hit insert, data and statistics. You're going to see, wow, look at all those dots. Well, let's see where they land. What kind of shape do you think this might make? I wonder if you have an idea. That's so satisfying. Oh, I love watching that. Holy moly. So one thing you're going to notice is it's normal-ish. Is it perfectly normal? Of course not. Is it good enough that we can use a normal model to talk about it? Probably. Look at this. The furthest to the left I ever got was 33 out of 100. And the furthest to the right was 64. So we talked earlier in the semester about what would make you go, what would make you suspicious. And we had people give all kinds of different answers. This is, remember, 500 different times of flipping 100 coins. That's a lot of times. Now, you could do it a billion times, but this is a good start for sure. And anything less than 30 or more than 70 would certainly be fishy. It appears to me that 20 and 80 might be even close to or impossible. What do you think the mean is here? I mean, the highest stack appears to be at 49, but I'm going to guess the mean's pretty close to 50. I don't think that would surprise you. What do you think the deviation might be? Let's remember that 95% of the data points should fall within 2 deviations. And so come over here somewhere and over here somewhere and kind of visualize 95% of those dots and let a couple percent be on the outside. I don't think it'd be unreasonable at all to say maybe 40 to 60 might be 95%. So think about going from the mean of 50 up to 2 deviations, which is at 60. From 50 to 60 is a distance of 10. And if that's 2 deviations, I think that it's reasonable to say the deviation might be close to 5. Remember, anything more than 3 deviations, and you're kind of a freak show. So do we have anybody below 35? We have 1. Anybody above 65? We do not. So we only have 1 freak show out of the 500. Let's do some stat calculations. See if I was close to right. I'm going to predict I was. Let's see. We call this coins. I like to skip a cell. You know that about me. Or skip a row. Column. Skip a column. Okay, remember we're predicting 50 for a mean and 5 for a deviation. Hey, look at that. Shocker, 50.056. Deviation a little smaller than I would have predicted, 4.82. I bet you if we did it again, we might get something a little closer to 5. That's just a wild hunch, a suspicion. Wonder what our quartiles were. Look at that, 47 and 53. So half the time we got between 47 and 53. That's quite something. The median was also 50. There's nothing else interesting here. Okay, so that's just a little fun we were having here with, whoops, get out of here. A little fun with coins. You can do this over and over again. Matter of fact, I challenge you to try to get more than 75 heads or fewer than 25 heads. If you do and take a picture of it and it's legal because you used fair coins, that's important. Come show it to me and I will praise you and give you handshakes and pats on the back and extra credit points and all kinds of stuff. So that's it for today. Just a quick little demo on the calculator using coins. Have a good day. Hope you enjoyed. See you around.